Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a free online website which will help you make $300 daily. Go to cjinc.info. First of all, as you can see, this website helps you to do creative jobs online and earn money, because they know you have enough skills to do those jobs. If you have few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC and execute small, time-bound and highly payful tasks, then you are at the right place. We recruit and hire flexible people who thrive on change and challenge, who are innovative and self-confident, and who seek immediate responsibility. We will pay you for your time. If you are free to join, yes, we also are free. You can also do market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. Register in free and start earning from now. There are thousands of worldwide market research companies, and they want to hear your fruitful opinions. Share your opinion and earn $5 to $20 or more per survey. Fill out simple online survey from the comfort of your own home, and you're earning through PayPal, Payza, Moneybookers, Neteller, or Amazon gift cards. You have testimonials from people all over the world that have been using this website and have made a lot of money from this website, since this website has been online since 2014. In this video, we are going to look on online proofreading jobs, so scroll up and select Career and click on Proofreading Job. You will be redirected to this page where you can find all you need to know about proofreading job. After that, you will need to click on Apply for Jobs. You will now have to download the application form. Then you will find the registration form you need to fill out. You have to select the job, which is proofreading. Enter your name, your email, your date of birth, your gender, your marital status, your contact number, your country, your current profession status. Choose hours you will be available to work. Choose whether you can work with one or more companies. And then select the way you will be paid. And lastly, tick the box to accept instructions. You need to sign. And at the end, click on Submit. After submitting, you will be hired and then start making money on cjinc.com. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.